You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. New Delhi on 1st February 2025. Saksham Samadrishti Kshamta Vikas Evam Anusandhan Mandal, a non-governmental organization (NGO) across India, recently hosted a full-day dedicated sports event for persons with disabilities (PWD) students and youth in collaboration with Special Olympics Bharat. The event commenced with a ceremonial lighting of the lamp and took place from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., attracting approximately 300 participants. Under the guidance of Mr. Prahlad Raut, President of the Southwest Delhi District of Saksham, the competition was held at the Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences (BCAS) in Sector 2, Dwarka. Participants engaged in three popular sports: roller skating, table tennis, and handball. The event featured a grand march of competitors, with former National Special Olympics champions proudly carrying the Olympic torch on stage. Mr. Prahlad Raut, the event organizer and district president, stated to the media that Saksham operates as a non-governmental organization at the national level.
सक्षम तरफ से आज इतना ग्लोबल वर्क यहाँ पे आज कर रही है 2025 में। इसका इंटेंशन क्या है, क्या कितनी साल हुआ ये कार्यक्रम का आप आयोजन कर रहे हैं?
तो सक्षम एक नेशनल एनजीओ है जो कि दिव्यांगता पे काम करता है। We work in the field of disabilities and it is span disabilities. Though Sportify 25 is only for special children who have intellectual disabilities. We are conducting this event for the last 3 years. This is the third year in continuity, and people from all across Delhi, they participate. We are thankful to Special Olympics Bharat for getting all the children in one place. This year it's slightly different because we have a daily state selection process for events in the form of roller skating, table tennis, and handball. So the children who will be selected will be representing Delhi at a national and hopefully further on to the international level. So yes, and I am Dr. Gaurav Sachdev. I represent Saksham Indra Trust, as well as I am a consultant with the Indian Spinal Injury Center, New Delhi. Indian Spinal Injury Center, New Delhi is a medical partner for this program this time, and we are offering 50% discount to all our PMR services in Indian Spinal Injury Center for all these special children.
How it will be inspired to the coming generations in the future?
So our aim is to have an inclusive society where all the children, all the persons with disabilities, they participate in all the activities. And through Sportify, we have chosen sports as a media to include persons with disabilities, children with disabilities back into the society. We are engaging the college volunteers, Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences, where the Sportify is being conducted, and the students of the college also are engaged. They will see the special abilities of these children, and they will be more responsive, more empathetic to the persons with disabilities, and we hope this thing will percolate down into the society, and the people with disabilities will be able to do all their normal activities.
समाज को क्या बढ़ता रहेगा? आज का जो कार्यक्रम आप कर रही है समाज के लिए, क्या सोसाइटी के लिए, अब क्या बढ़ता देंगे?
हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि समाज को जितने भी हमारे दिव्यांगजन हैं उनकी तरफ सहानुभूति के साथ नहीं बट मिलकर के साथ चलने की बात करते हैं हम हमेशा। हमें उनको साथ लेकर के चलना है। दे आर पार्ट ऑफ अस, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी। एवरीबडी, any family can maybe having people with disabilities, and we should just move together. That is what we want to go for.
Thank you.
ओके सक्षम इंद्रप्रस्थ सक्षम हूँ गोटे नेशनल एनजीओ आमर रिप्रेजेंटेशन अक्रॉस ऑलमोस्ट प्रत्येक डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे आमर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अच्छे आम कार्यकर्ता अच्छी नॉट ओनली दिल्ली रे अक्रॉस इंडिया आमर प्रत्येक जमी मुझे कहली भारत वर्ष रे जिते डिस्ट्रिक्ट अच्छी प्रत्येक डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे आपन को सक्षम कार्यकर्ता मिलिबे। सक्षम एम है आमे पर्सन्स विथ डिसेबिलिटी जो मैंने आम जहाँ को दिव्यांग कहू इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ एज आमे तांको सहित मिलके काम करूछु एवं तांको केमिति मेन स्ट्रीम रे आनी ही पारिबो एवं तांको केमिति ये फील हबो कि आमे भी माने समाज रो गोटे इंपोर्टेंट हिस्सा जो जोथिरे आमे समस्त सहित मिलके काम करि पारिबो तेणु आमे एक्चुअली या थ्रू गोटे समाज को गोटे माने ये दवा पे चाहूछु वार्ता दवा पे चाहूछु जे आमे तांको सिंपैथेटिकली कि एम्पैथी देखै कि आमे तांको एठी कानिबा दरकार नै से माने आम ठारू भी बेसी सक्षम कारण से माने एमिति किसी काम करि पारे जोटा हे पारे आमे नॉर्मल लोक ताई करि न पाई न पादंती जोति पई कि आमे ये गोटे स्पोर्ट्स थ्रू रे गोटे मीडियम आमे यूज करछु स्पोर्ट्स थ्रू रे कारण स्पोर्ट्स समस्त को कनेक्ट करि पर माने अक्रॉस इंडिया माने प्रत्येक लोक प्रत्येक एज ग्रुप रे प्रत्येक जेंडर रे प्रत्येक जगह रे एटा कनेक्ट हे पर इजीली जोति पई आमे स्पोर्ट्स एज ए मीडियम चूज करछु आ व्यतीत एथिरे आमे भास्कराचार्य कॉलेज ऑफ अप्लाइड साइंसेस जो तांको प्रीमाइसेस हमको प्रोवाइड करछन बहुत बढ़िया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तांकर जो स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत देश जो माने एथिरे हम सहित कोलैबोरेट करी सब अलग अलग दिल्ली रु प्रत्येक स्पेशल स्कूल हो स्पेशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हो सब जगह पिला मानु के एठी इनवाइट करछन तीनटा गेम अरेंज करिया पई गोटे होचे हमर रोलर स्केटिंग आ गोटे होचे टेबल टेनिस एवं ता सहित आ गोटे होचे हैंडबॉल ये तीनटा गेम रे पिला मानु को सिलेक्ट करा दिबो स्टेट लेवल रे स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स को रिप्रेजेंट करिया पई।
The primary aim of this initiative is to integrate individuals with disabilities into the broader community, ensuring they feel a sense of belonging and can collaborate with others. Saksham offers computer training to students with disabilities, encompassing various aspects such as education, health, employment, organ donation posthumously, and strategies for achieving independence and self-sufficiency without relying on family support. Participation in this program is not motivated by charity, benevolence, or coercion. The organization seeks to convey to society that individuals with disabilities are capable of achieving more than the average citizen. The event featured esteemed guests, including Mr. Dada Dev Prasuti and Mr. Deep Mala Lal Chandani, Deputy Chief Medical Officer of Children's Hospital, along with Dr. Gaurav Sachadev, Head of Surgery at the Indian Spinal Injuries Center in Basant Kunj and Head of Bone and Joint Surgery for the Ayog Delhi region. Additionally, Mr. Praveen Prakash Ambastha from PWD, Chief Executive Officer of IDEA, and Dr. Mallikarjun, President of Dwarka Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences, BCAS, were present to encourage the participants and award them medals. The event concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Mr. Pralhad Raut. Specific report by Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Beborta, the senior correspondent for Sigma Media Lab English from New Delhi.